Let's end our Math Monday on solving perfect square root. Let me show you a trick on how to easily and quickly solve a perfect square root. Let's start with the number 1764. Let's see how we can easily solve this square root. So what you want to do here is you want to look at this 4, okay? You want to find the square root, 2 square roots with the number 4s. So here we have square root of 2, and then we have down here, there's our other 4, 8. So what we do here is we cross off our 64. So we're looking at both 2 and 8. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to look for the closest square root to 17 without going over. So it looks like 16 right here is closer to 17 because 25 will go over 17. So over here we look and we have the square root of 16 is 4. Then we go back and finish this here. So what we do here is we multiply 4 times the next highest number, which is 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. So then we look at 20, and is it bigger or smaller than 17? And so if this number is larger than this number, we would take the larger number of these two. But since this number is smaller than 20, we take the lower number, which would be 2. So square root of 1764 equals 42. Now, probably confused you there. So let's try it one more time. Couple more times. Let's take the square root of, let's use 2,601. Now remember, these are perfect square root. We'll discuss irrational square roots later. So we're going to look at our 1, which we have both 1. There's our 1. And let's change this color again. So we have 1. And then we have, oops, sorry, 9. So we can go ahead and cross that off. Then we're going to look at 26. Remember, we come back over, look for the closest number to these two numbers without going over. So it'll be between 5 and 6. Because 36 is higher than 26, we cannot use 6. So we'll have to use 5. Okay. Then we multiply 5 times the next highest number equals 30. And because 30 is larger than 26, we take the smaller number. If this number was smaller than this number, then we take the higher number. But because 26 is less than 30, we take the smaller number, which gives us 1. So go back and check your answer. So 51 is the square root of 2,601. Okay, let's try one more number. Let's try a 3-digit number. Let's try 529. So here, again, we're going to look for number 9. And we have 9 in both. What's this here? We have 9. So we have 3 and 7. Okay. So what we do here, we cross off 29. And then we're going to find the square root that's closer to 5 without going over. So the two closest is 2 and square root of 2 and 3. So because 9 is larger than 5, we're going to use number 4. So 2. Then remember, multiply 2 times the next highest number is 3. That gives us 6. 6 is larger than 5. So we're going to use a smaller number, which is 23. And so our answer is 23. Now take a moment and pause and try this technique on your own. And you'll find that in order to find a perfect square root, you can use this easy trick to solve it. Good luck. Let's try a 3-digit number. Let's try 576. So, using our square root over here, we see the number 6. We're going to find the two numbers that have the number 6, which are both 4 and 6. So go ahead and cross that out. And then we have 5, so we're going to come over here. We're going to look for the closest square root, not going over. That's closest to 5. So we have 2. Then we're going to come back over. We're going to multiply 2 times the next highest number, which is 6. That gives us 6. 6 is larger than 5, which means the smaller number of these two will be our answer. So square root of 576 will be 24. Why don't you pause and give it a try yourself? And comment and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.